Greetings from Fairfield. I'm Rich,
Kendra.
and we're restoring this cool Victorian house.
Pinch poke, you owe me a Coke.
Kendra, I've got the plans for next year's Halloween. Kendra. Oh, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. Today's November 1st. And well, it's time to start our Nightmare Before Christmas and taking all our Halloween down, because our town square has a Christmas lighting ceremony the day after Thanksgiving. And we got a lot of work to do to get this house ready. And so we need to get in the spirit and start decking these halls. Oh, how about that? That worked really well. I don't think it worked so well here because I probably didn't squeegee that down as hard as I did some of these other areas. But removing wallpaper that's been painted, that's a big pain. And so I was hoping that when we removed that, it would take off the paint, and it removed about 90% of it. And what's left is actually really kind of loose, like it's already separating. You just peel that right off. So that's gonna come, the rest of this will come right off. And it's the same pattern as what's here. It just took off. That water base, probably a water-based paint. That's just flaking right off. It's the same pattern as this. So that's what was here. And previous owners, I think, had said that the wall was pretty worn, scratches and wear and tear. So that's why it was painted all the way up there where this dado rail is located. It's a little high to be considered a dado, if I'm pronouncing that right, tomato. But I think I know what our next project's going to be. Hey, the last of the Halloween. Almost ready to bring all this in and push our carriage back into position. That back there was one of the horse stalls that was taken out. I made a discovery because I need to clear out room because this is the first time we've kind of wheeled it in here properly, and we had a bunch of stuff in the way. And I found this painted on the wall. Dandy. Pretty cool. Underlined, like. So I don't know if it was like, you know, some kind of normal tradition thing to like maybe paint the horse's name in the stall, because this whole area here was a horse stall that was taken out. The troughs were here and there, and it matches the one on the other side, and this one where we got the Dutch door. I got to move some of that stuff, but yeah, how cool is that? Horse's name is Dandy. If we got any horse experts out there that know if that was something that was done, you know, drop them in the comments. Would love to know if that's our horse's name, Dandy. Let's. Oh, and one more quick update to our squatter upstairs. 2 days after we posted our last video, we went up there. The marshmallow was eaten. The trap was sprung, but we had no critter in our cage. And so we're gonna have to get a little more creative and you know, channel our inner Bill Murray and catch him. But I want to thank everybody that mentioned in the comments some advice and tricks and tips for trapping and baiting. And so we're gonna make some adjustments there based on some of those comments, and probably even put a camera up there to see what we're actually dealing with. But also, something I didn't even think about, some of you suggested, was looking into state trapping laws. Didn't even occur to me that I'd have to check with the government to, you know, do something on my own property, but, you know, should have known better. So thank you for that. I did check. The Iowa Trappers Association actually has a YouTube channel, and I've gone through their videos and got all of my questions answered. So we are good to go as far as what our plan is to trap whatever it is we got up there. So let's wrap this up. Let's get this carriage pulled back, get the rest of this Halloween put up, because we got more Christmas to throw up on the outside of the house. Oh, I got it. I got it. All right, yeah, a little more to the left. Here on the left. Perfect.